Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Mole fraction questions are super quick when you trust the particle diagram, so watch this and lock in the answer fast without overthinking anything. The mole fraction of a gas means its number of particles divided by the total particles in the mixture, because particle counts in the diagram represent mole counts directly. According to the particle diagram, count the nitrogen molecules and the helium atoms. Then keep those counts separate because we need nitrogen share compared with every particle shown. The total number of particles is the nitrogen count plus the helium count, and that ratio simplifies to 0.67, so option C is correct. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Avoid rushing past the given diagram. Trust what is shown and check each counting step carefully.